Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you're lazy. That's why make yourself as a busy person, but never attempt to make yourself as a lazy person. If you make yourself a busy person, you can sense your entire bloodline. But if you ever try to make yourself a lazy person, your life will be dangerous. As an English learner, I have made myself as a busy person. After wake up, I start to learn, and I never stop until I sleep.